Hi everyone, I'm Sharon, a systems application engineer with SICK, and we are here at the KUKA booth at PAC Expo 2025. Here we have a system built by Blue Onyx in collaboration with SICK, using 6 sensors and KUKA robots. Essentially what the demo is doing, it consists of our robot guidance systems, 3D, the PLB robot guidance system, doing random bin picking. It's picking poker chips off a random bin. And then we also have our 2D robot guidance system, Clock 2D, that is doing sortation of the different types of poker chips. They are also showcasing the SICK safety scanner, the S-Bot. I have Brian from Blue Onyx and Rich from KUKA with me as well. And Brian, if you could talk a little bit more about the demo and how this applies to different customer applications.
In this case, we're picking poker chips, kind of simulating order fulfillment. So through the HMI, we can go in and select what color chips, how many chips we want to pick. That information is then sent to the robot. Using the 3D vision system, the robot will go find the correct chip, the correct number of chips, and place it on the conveyor belt. From there, we're going to pass it down to the KUKA Scare robot, where we're going to pick and stack the chips for the actual order. So this would simulate, random bin picking, random tote picking, order fulfillment, assembly pieces and parts. So, able to use the SICK technology, the KUKA robots to pick and place out of a random bin and into a fixed system.
Yes, so an important piece to this is the communications that takes place between the SICK vision systems and the robots. In the KUKA controller, we use a functionality called Ethernet KRL, which is the method of communications that we use between the camera systems and the robotic controllers directly. So we don't necessarily have to go through some type of intermediary device in order to get that information. So the nice thing here with the SICK solutions, both in 2D and 3D, the SICK solution calculates the exact coordinates that the robot needs to go, and it communicates that in real time over to the KUKA controller, and the controller is able to execute with the robot very quickly and then move on to the next job.
Yeah, the experience has been great. I mean, part of the reason that this was able to pull off so well is that the SICK cameras are very easy to use, they're easy to integrate, and they integrate seamlessly with the KUKA robots. So, from a setup time, from a programming standpoint time, it made it very easy to pull all 3 technologies together.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. It was nice having you here. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.